Okay, so you are in a conversation trying to express yourself, but the perfect word just won't come to mind. Frustrating होता है ना? Well, guess what? You are not alone. Did you know that English language has over 10 lakh words? That's more words than any other language on earth. But here's the kicker. Most adults only use a fraction of that vocabulary. Somewhere between 30,000 to 60,000 words? Crazy, है ना? So if you have ever felt like you are missing out on expressing yourself fully, stick around because I have got some game-changing tips coming your way. Alright, let's dive into step number 1. Context clues. Did you know that researchers have found that vocabulary development is strongly linked to the amount of time spent reading? Yes, it's true. The more you expose yourself to different types of reading materials like magazines, like books and newspapers, of course, the more effortlessly you pick up new words just from context alone. It's like magic. So the next time you stumble upon a tricky word, don't panic. Take a deep breath, look at the surrounding words and let the context guide you to the treasure trove of meaning. Let's imagine you are reading a mystery novel and you stumble upon the word suspect. Now you might not know exactly what suspect means, right? But from the context of the story, you can guess that it's someone under investigation. Congratulations, you have just decoded a new word without even reaching out on the dictionary. Pretty cool, right? So that's actually the power of context clues. Now on to step number 2. So have you ever heard of Matthew effect? It's the school concept from the field of psychology that says that rich get richer and the poor get poorer. So what does this has to do with vocabulary? Well, research suggests that the more words you know, the easier it becomes to learn even more words. So from now on, when you come across a word that you don't know, don't just skip over it. I'm repeating, don't just skip over it. Grab your dictionary and let's break it down together. Trust me, a little detective work now will pay you off big time in the long run. Okay, so let's say you are reading an article about culinary arts and you encounter the word sous chef. Sure, you could skip over it and move on, but why not take the opportunity to expand your vocabulary? Grab your dictionary, or yes, we have these days Google search. Find that word sous chef there and you will find that sous chef is a person who works as a second in command in a kitchen, typically responsible for overseeing food preparation. And yeah, you have just added a new word into the list of words that you already know. Last and the most important, step number 3. Dig the meaning out by the root. So did you know that over 60% of English words have Latin or Greek roots? Mind-blowing, Anna. Understanding the origin of a word is not just about impressing your friends, although it definitely does that too, but it's also about discovering the fascinating story behind each word. Actually, let me give you an example. Ever wondered where words like telephone or television came from? Well, it turns out they have roots in Greek. Tele means far or distant and phone means sound. Put them together and you have got a device for transmitting sound over long distances. Interesting, isn't it? So by understanding the roots of words, you not only understood their meanings more deeply but also found a whole world of related words and concepts. And there you have it. 3 simple yet powerful steps to turbocharge your vocabulary and becoming a true wordsmith. Remember, the world is your oyster and language is the key to unlocking endless possibilities. So keep reading, keep exploring and never stop learning. Thanks for hanging out with me today and until next time, keep those words flowing. Hey, so if you're looking to improve your English speaking skills and feel more confident, why not join my 21-day English speaking challenge? You will have live session for 21 days with me where we will practice speaking English together, group fun activities, daily homework, quizzes, questions, competitions and in-depth feedback. Plus, you will get an e-certificate at the end of 21 days. That's the perfect opportunity to take your English proficiency to the next level. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, if you have found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. And hey, sharing is caring. So if you know someone who could use a boost in their vocabulary game, be sure to share this video with them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.